Pat Bottom. Hey, 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 hey. Well, 2021 Pat Bottom Kitchen fans. How you doing over there? Yes. Yes, what we want to do, take time out to say hello to you all, and 2021. Hoping you're keeping yourself safe. We've been venturing all over Jamaica. Every time we come in your place and you welcome Pat Bottom Kitchen inside your establishment, we really appreciate it, and we try to work on a path that everyone can see us plain and clear. Thanks to the people and the fans that really subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you from the bottom of our heart, and we look forward to see you. We need your feedback. I like when you share the things. It's a pleasure to see the comment that you put across. All encouragement, yes, and encouragement is perfection. I can tell you, right here it is. You understand? That's what it is. Put out your comments, bad or good, say what you have to say. And we all appreciate everything. Yes, we are important to it. And on the background that we're looking at there is the good old castle. We're coming out with something different. We're coming up the run-up kitchen, so you're going to see a little run-up going on in our kitchen. As we said, we have the rundown. And what we're going to have? The run-up. Can't say thanks too much. Muchos gracias. Japanese, what they say, arigato. Touch up the subscribe button for us, we really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Yeah? You have anything to say about us? Talk to the people. Mr. Brooks.
Yeah, bless up the Pat Bottom Kitchen,
All
Yeah,
right.
man, just like and subscribe.
Alright.
Please, maybe. Look on the view. Say pretty.
Beautiful. We need to pick up some people, and pick up some parish, Pick up the people of Clarendon. You don't know where I say Clarendon and something is saying. Mandeville, pick up on yourself. Everything over there, so we love on the same way. See what I say? Right tonight, over Mandeville there, the place. Link up the brother there. You know the fast food of the place. Check out Right tonight. Oh, no good. See? As we say again, St. Anne's Bay. Pick up on yourself. You don't know what you think there already. St. Thomas Day come sooner. We're not reaching yet. Soon as the road fix, you come out there. Yeah, man. Westmoreland. St. Elizabeth Crew. Know a thing already. Mandeville. We're not left it. Chilani, Clarkson, we're not left it. Mali over there, so you know what we're talking about. I'm soon. Montego Bay myself. Them place that food place where we link up. We have got St. Andrew now, and we have got St. Catherine. Big up on yourself same way, Halfway Tree Crew. Nah, Lele, you don't know already. Catch your bus and move through. Just some of the places that, we need to meet up some friends and family. So, the Pat Bottom Kitchen are coming down the place from start out and out or something. So I know we can cook the best right I can start with soon. Okay, so when I start with myself, I come link on and to know what one. Port Antonio Crew, up. You don't know anything there. Look yourself, barbershop myself. Hold on. Don't know. Aki Tree, see where? Don't know that. Yeah man, overseas you don't know Raphael. Yeah man. As we say, Pat Bottom Kitchen to the people. And we say, thank you very much. And we'll see you soon. We're taking you across Jamaica. Pat Bottom.